Cryptocurrency investments have revolutionized the financial landscape, enabling decentralized, transparent, and efficient transactions across the globe. However, with these advancements come risks, primarily surrounding the security of digital assets. As the crypto industry continues to expand in 2025, choosing the right wallet is more important than ever. Whether you're a long-term investor or an active trader, a secure and reliable wallet is essential to protect your holdings. Welcome back to Ease into Crypto, your trusted channel for navigating the ever-changing world of cryptocurrency. Stay tuned, because in this video, we will see the top 5 best crypto wallets for 2025, diving into their features, benefits, and how they ensure the safety of your digital wealth. Number 1. Ledger Nano X, the gold standard of hardware wallets. When it comes to cryptocurrency security, the Ledger Nano X remains the most trusted hardware wallet in 2025. Known for its cutting-edge technology and robust build, this wallet has set the benchmark for protecting digital assets. One of its standout features is the Secure Element SEE chip, a specialized chip designed to store private keys securely. This chip ensures that even in the event of a cyber attack, your private keys remain protected and inaccessible. The Ledger Nano X is perfect for crypto enthusiasts who hold a diverse portfolio. It supports over 5,500 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and countless altcoins. This wide-ranging compatibility makes it a versatile choice for investors. Additionally, the integration with the Ledger Live app provides a seamless experience for managing and monitoring your assets. The app's intuitive interface allows users to send, receive, and even stake certain cryptocurrencies directly from their wallets. Another innovative feature of the Ledger Nano X is its Bluetooth connectivity. While hardware wallets traditionally require a USB connection, the Nano X allows users to connect wirelessly to their smartphones. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who prefer managing their portfolios on the go. However, this feature has raised concerns among ultra-security conservative users, as Bluetooth could potentially introduce vulnerabilities, and the Nano X would provide less opportunities for fraudsters and boys. Despite its slightly higher price tag, the Ledger Nano X remains a top choice for its unmatched security, user-friendly design, and versatility. For long-term holders and those who prioritize the safety of their investments, the Ledger Nano X is an invaluable tool in 2025. Number 2. Trezor Model T, open source security and advanced features. The Trezor Model T is another heavyweight in the world of crypto wallets, offering a transparent and secure platform for managing digital assets. As an open-source wallet, the Trezor Model T's firmware is publicly available, enabling independent security audits and fostering trust among its users. This transparency ensures that no backdoors or vulnerabilities go unnoticed. What sets the Trezor Model T apart is its vibrant touchscreen interface. Unlike traditional wallets with physical buttons, the Model T's touchscreen makes it easier to confirm transactions, set up the device, and navigate through menus. This feature is particularly useful for beginners who may find hardware wallets intimidating. Additionally, the Shamir backup system adds an extra layer of security. This innovative feature allows users to split their recovery seed into multiple shares, reducing the risk of losing access to funds due to a single point of failure. With support for over 1,800 cryptocurrencies, the Trezor Model T is compatible with a wide range of tokens and coins. It also integrates with various third-party wallets and platforms, providing users with flexibility and convenience. However, unlike the Ledger Nano X, the Trezor Model T lacks Bluetooth connectivity, which might be a drawback for users seeking portability. For users who value transparency and advanced security features, the Trezor Model T is an excellent choice. Its combination of open-source technology and innovative tools makes it a standout option for managing and securing crypto assets in 2025. Number 3. Exodus Wallet, a software wallet for beginners and casual investors. For those who prefer software wallets, the Exodus wallet is a standout option in 2025. Known for its sleek design and user-friendly interface, Exodus has carved a niche for itself as the go-to wallet for beginners and casual investors. Available on both desktop and mobile platforms, Exodus ensures that users can manage their cryptocurrencies conveniently, regardless of their device. One of the most appealing features of Exodus is its built-in exchange functionality. This allows users to swap cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet without the need for external exchanges. Whether you're converting Bitcoin to Ethereum or trading altcoins, the process is seamless and straightforward. Exodus also supports over 260 cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile choice for those with diverse portfolios. Security is a common concern with software wallets, and Exodus addresses this by giving users full control over their private keys. Unlike custodial wallets where a third party holds your keys, Exodus ensures that your private keys never leave your device. However, being a hot wallet, it is inherently more vulnerable to cyber threats compared to hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor. Exodus also offers excellent customer support, a rarity in the cryptocurrency world. Their 24/7 support team is available to assist users with any issues, further enhancing its appeal to beginners. While it may not be the most secure option for large holdings, Exodus is an excellent choice for new investors looking for a simple and intuitive way to manage their crypto assets. Number 4. MetaMask, the gateway to decentralized finance, DeFi. MetaMask has become synonymous with DeFi, and for good reason. This browser-based wallet is a favorite among crypto enthusiasts who actively engage in decentralized applications, dApps, staking, and NFT trading. One of MetaMask's biggest strengths is its accessibility. As a browser extension, it's easy to install and use, even for those new to cryptocurrency. It also offers a mobile app for users who prefer managing their assets on the go. MetaMask allows users to store Ethereum and Ethereum-based tokens, ERC20 and ERC721, and its recent updates have expanded support to include other blockchains like Polygon and Avalanche. Despite these risks, MetaMask's versatility and ease of use make it a top choice for 2025. It's ideal for users looking to explore DeFi, interact with dApps, or participate in the growing NFT market. Number 5. Trust Wallet. For mobile-first users, Trust Wallet offers a secure, simple, and feature-rich platform to manage cryptocurrencies. Acquired by Binance in 2018, Trust Wallet has evolved into one of the most reliable mobile wallets, supporting over 4.5 million digital assets, including NFTs and tokens across multiple blockchains. What sets Trust Wallet apart is its integration with decentralized applications. The built-in dApp browser allows users to access DeFi platforms, participate in staking, and trade NFTs directly from their wallets. This makes Trust Wallet an excellent choice for users who want to engage with the decentralized ecosystem without switching between multiple apps. Staking is another highlight of Trust Wallet. Users can stake popular cryptocurrencies like Binance Coin (BNB), earning passive income without leaving the app. The wallet's intuitive design and seamless functionality ensure that even novice users can navigate the platform with ease. Being a non-custodial wallet, Trust Wallet ensures that users retain full control over their private keys, enhancing security. The content on Ease into Crypto is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making investment decisions. Stay informed, stay smart, and as always, ease into crypto. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.